Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I make this holiday ham. I'm not a huge fan of ham, so I decided to find the smallest one I could find just so I could show you guys and give you a gist of what you can do with your ham. This recipe works for any ham across the board as well as any size. You just follow the directions on the cook time on your package. So first I'm going to make my sauce, which is going to be the pineapple. You already know the usual suspects. This is crushed pineapple. You do want to shake out a little bit of the crushed pineapple down in there just for texture. I'm going to use a handful of fresh cranberries. I'm going to use some honey as well as some brown sugar. This sauce is forgiven. I will, however, have the recipe measurements in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. My next can of pineapple chunks, I'm going to use the juice, which is the pineapple juice. And also, the reason why I'm not adding my cherries and my pineapples yet is because I don't want them to cook all the way out, so I'm going to add those last minute. Next, I'm going to rinse up my ham, of course. Y'all know I rinse everything. I'm just going to do a quick rinse just to get whatever that's on there off. And then we're going to move on. Once I bring the sauce to a simmer, I'm going to add my star anise or star anise, however you say it. This is what it looks like. It's in any supermarket. You can find it in the spice aisle. And you want to mix it up just like this and just let it keep reducing by half. So next I'm going to put some aluminum foil down into my air fryer. I got this beautiful gift from my amazing husband, so I'm so happy about it, you guys. Next, you want to put the ham down in there just like that. You see how this is nice and thin? That's what you want because, again, we're not done with the sauce. So you want to brush your ham liberally. You even want to get some of the little juice down in the bottom and get it nice and moisturized, if you will. And then I'm just going to pop it into my air fryer. My air fryer is the 5-quart air fryer, so it's pretty big. I'm going to cook this on 300 for 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, that's when I'm going to check it. Once that's going, I'm going to finally add my pineapple chunks and my cherries and some of the cherry juice down into the sauce right here. I love this sauce so much. It's so delicious. I didn't use any salt because you don't want to, the ham is already salty. So next I'm going to add some Spicy Girl. Spicy Girl is low in sodium. It has that smoky point to it, so it's going to go well with this sauce. And this is what it looks like. And the sauce just looks way better. But I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like right here. Boom. It's nice and thick. It's ready to go. It's like a finishing sauce. And that's what we're going to do. Finish the ham with that sauce. Y'all, look at this ham after 40 minutes in my air fryer. Like, I cannot. When I pulled it out, because y'all know... I act like I've never had nothing nice, but when I pulled it out, I couldn't believe it. So this is me checking the temp. I wanted to make sure I had at least 165. I had 162, but we weren't done cooking the ham yet. So I know once it's done, it'll come all the way up to 165. So now I'm just going to put the glaze all over the ham, baby. Ooh! Y'all, let me tell you something. After this holiday series is over, I'm making this sauce again. And I'm going to slap it on some chicken. Y'all know I love me some chicken. I'm going to slap this sauce on some wings. Of course, I'll probably have to add some salt to it because it is kind of sweet. And it has no salt. And so, yeah. But, yeah, I'm definitely going to slap this on some chicken. So this is what it looks like close up. I'm going to pop it right back into the air fryer for another 5 minutes. I am basting it right here with the juices in the bottom. You don't want to lose no juice. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all what it looks like once it's done. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm like in total amazement. I'm not even lying to you guys. Like, I'm so used to using an oven or a stove top, so for me to see a gadget like this that cooked the ham all the way through, like it cooked it all the way through, it's like, what the world? But anyway, now I'm just slicing up my ham on a bias. Well, it's not on a bias, just straight down. And this is what it looks like. You can slice it as thick or as thin as you prefer. My slices were definitely inconsistent, but whatever. So now you're just going to take your sauce. As you can see, I transferred it to a cleaner board, and that's what you would do. So what you do is you cut it up on something that you know you don't really care about, and then you transfer it to your beautiful plate that you're going to present to your family. And once you put the ham on the plate, you want to just put the glaze all over it. You put this ham on your table, honey. You put this on your table with this sauce over it like this. Come on. Come on, you guys. But again, if you have a bigger ham, you're doing the bigger ones, the spiral hams, whatever ham, just follow the directions per pound on your cook and you'll be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Stay tuned for my next episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.